Hello friends, today I am going to teach you marking and cutting of 24 panel anarkali. The measurement is like this. Total length of anarkali is 42 inch, shoulder to shoulder length 13 inch, shoulder length 7 inch, chest 34 inch, waist length 13 inch, waist 28 inch, hip length 21 inch, hips 36 inch. Total circumference of anarkali is 72 inch. Front neck length 6 inch, back neck length 5 inch, width of neck 6 inch, length of sleeves 14 inch, half circumference of sleeves 4.5 inch. First, marking and drafting of 24 panel anarkali is done on another cloth or hard paper, and after that I'll teach you how to cut panels. After doing drafting on another paper or piece of cloth, we cut the panels and then fix panel on the main cloth and do cutting. Before doing drafting, mark 2.5 inch on width side and draw a straight line, and from this line take all the widths. At first, I am marking total length minus 5 inch on this line, that is 42 minus 5 makes it 37 inch because I will insert a lace with contrast cloth at bottom to give good look. At top, take half of shoulder to shoulder width plus half inch, that is 13 divided by 2 plus half inch makes it 7 inch. After this, from same point, mark shoulder length lengthwise, that is 7 inch. From line, take 7 inch and 6.5 inch for front sleeve cut widthwise and join both marks at top 7 inch mark. On same line, widthwise take 1/4 of chest plus 2 inch, that is 34 divided by 4 makes it 8.5 plus 2 makes it 10.5 inch. Mark 8.5 and 10.5 inch. 8.5 inch mark is of stitching line and 10.5 inch mark is of cutting line. Then place inch tape at top and mark waistline plus half inch, that is 13 plus half inch makes it 13.5 inch. Then further take hip length plus half inch, that is 21 plus 0.5 makes it 21.5 inch. Mark it. At waist length, take 1/4 of waist plus 2 inch from marked length line, that is 28 divided by 4 makes it 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 inch. Mark 7 and 9 inch. At hip length, take 1/4 of hips plus 1 inch or 1.5 inch, that is 36 divided by 4 plus 1.5 inch makes it 10.5 inch. Mark 9 and 10.5 inch. Now join inner to inner marks and outer to outer marks. At bottom width of anarkali, take 1/4 of circumference plus 1 inch, that is 72 divided by 4 is equal to 18 inch plus 1 inch makes it 19 inch. Mark 18 and 19 inch. Join inner mark to inner mark and outer to outer mark of hip length and circumference of anarkali. We join it in A shape for better getup. Now measure from hip length to total length on straight line like this. It comes 15.75 inch. So we mark 15.75 inch on a shape line, also from hip length to total circumference like this. We do this to give a curve shape to anarkali. We keep on marking a 15.75 inch curve from hip length to circumference like this till it meet on the bottom line. Now do the back and front deep sleeve curve at shoulder length. Now at chest, waist, hips and circumference, measure their widths and divide it by 6 and mark equally width-wise. Chest is 34 divided by 4 makes it 8.5 inch, then divide 8.5 inch by 6, it comes little less than 1.5 inch. Divide the chest line equally by little less than 1.5 inch. Waist is 28 divided by 4 makes it 7 inch. Then divide 7 by 6, it comes near about 1.16 inch. Divide the waistline equally by 1.16 inch. Hip is 36 inch divided by 4 makes it 9 inch. Then divide 9 by 6, it comes 1.5 inch. Divide the hip line equally by 1.5 inch. Circumference is 72 inch. Divided by 4 makes it 18 inch. Then divide 18 by 6, it comes 3 inch. Divide the circumference equally by 3 inch. But in this we mark equal points from the outer side stitching line like this. Last mark is beyond than 2.5 inch straight line. That's why this extra cloth is taken before the drafting, because width of panel is also increased in middle portion. Now join all divided marks from top, chest, waist, hips and circumference. And we have to cut the panels. For cutting, the first 5 panels are similar, but the 6th side panel is different. From these 5 similar panels, we will cut one panel, and from that we make panels by pinning up it on our main cloth. For cutting first panel, take ½ inch extra for sewing seam from both sides of marked panel line like this. I will mark it with pink color chalk for easiness in cutting. At side panels also, take ½ inch extra at inner side only for sewing seam. Outer side already 2 inch extra is taken. Now cut pink chalk marked panels, and from first panel we cut 20 panels from our main cloth, and from side panels we cut 4 panels. This cloth is kept in 4 layers. Pin up the first panel on it and cut it alongside the boundary. It gives us 4 panels. We repeat it 5 times, that will make it 20 panels. After cutting first 4 panels, now place pattern panel in opposite direction like this. Pin up it and make sure to cut the extra cloth also while cutting. For the third time, again take panel pattern opposite side of the second one and repeat this procedure. It is must for good finishing. After cutting 20 similar panels, I will teach you to cut side panels also. Place remaining cloth in 4 layers again and pin up side pattern panel on it and cut it alongside. And from close side we do the drafting of sleeves and then cut it. I have already taught you drafting and cutting of sleeves. After this cutting, the cutting of 24 panel anarkali is completed. If you like my video, then hit like button, and if you are new here, then subscribe for more such videos. In the next video, I will teach you a new cutting or a new stitching in a simple way. Thank you.